First, you go to the gold icon to access your menu. You're going to pick number 1 for setup. Then you are going to pick number 7 for scan tracker setup. At this point, if you want to use it, you activate by clicking on Use Scan Tracker. At this point, you can add your sales rep ID. It's recommended using the employee ID. Makes it easier for the employee to remember. In this case, we will use 123, and we will use the name for our fictional sales rep as Timmy. You have an option to put in an email. That's it. That's your choice. Click on Add, and you'll see that the row has been added successfully, and it fills the table. As you add each of your employees, this area will fill out, and then from that point on, they should be able to put their ID whenever a scan is started. That's all.